Today we're going to do a review of the Veo Discover 46 sling bag backpack. So to start with, I love a sling bag. I had one of these at Peak Design, a backpack which is really well designed and great, but I realised I'm not a backpack person. And it's a sling bag I like, and we started off with this K&F concept sling bag, which was ideal. You could get to your stuff from here. You had a back panel here that you could open up and get to your stuff there. So that was great. I used that for a while, and problem is that fits the XT2, you know, and a couple of lenses just about. And what it means is that with the XT2 and the boost grip, there's just not enough depth there. It's just too big. So I decided to look around for another sling bag, and I come across one on Amazon, Amazon UK, and it was $12.99, which is about how many dollars is that? About $15. So incredibly cheap. They're obviously selling up. This is the bag. It's better because it's deeper here, and it's still quite a small bag. So in here it's big enough for the XT2 with the grip, and you can see that opens up. You've got a little pocket at the above here, and you can get all your stuff in. But also there's a clip here, and you go and clip, and you can open this and get to the guts of it. You've also got a top thing there, which I've been keeping my microphone in, and all in all, this is great. So this is my day-to-day bag at the moment. You can see is bigger, which you can see is bigger, slightly. Well, there's two models. There's a 42 and a 46. Now the difference between each model is that the width is about 20 millimeters. The height is about 20 millimeters. The width is about 20. So very little bit bigger than the 42. So I thought, well, might as well go for the 46. So what we got is a side door there, which allows you to put your camera in. You've also got the whole of the back unzips and opens up. So the whole of the back is like that, which is great. Now we come to the clever part. As a sling bag, this is as a sling bag, and you have just one of these clips attached, and you can use that as a traditional sling bag, and you can move it round so you can gain access to your camera gear. There's also a zip down the middle of this, so this unzips, and you attach this one here, and that becomes a backpack. So, you know, this is the versatility of backpack sling bag, which is really good. You've got a top compartment here, which is big enough to keep stuff in. There's also a bit there, and you can put behind here, which is quite well padded. You can put a laptop, not a laptop, an iPad. I think you can get a 13-inch laptop. So there's various pockets there. There's another zipped bit there which contains the all-weather cover, which is attached, and so if it's rainy that comes out and can go over the whole thing. Again, on the side you've got a zip here. Sorry, you've got a zip here underneath with a little pouch there, and the same on the other side. And because on the other side you've got the a zip panel to get to some of the stuff, so that's on both sides. So various little clips, little ways to get your stuff. Now the ingenious thing about this is, if you want to carry a tripod, you've got these bits at the side and you've got this bit at the bottom, and if we open this up at the bottom, it allows you to put 1 foot or 2 feet in there, and you can clip it round with this clip so that your tripod is held on the back and all contained. So there's a nice carrying handle there, and there's if you're using a sling bag, there's a side clip. Now this is where the problem comes, because in the Vanguards they show that this can be used either side. Now the sling bag is set up for a traditional right shoulder move round, but this restraining grip is set up for a left-handed sling. Problem is, this clip here, you'd think you'd be able to slip this off and slip it on the other side, but this is too small to go over this clip. This webbing that's attached to this clip is too thick to go through the clip. So this was sewn after the event, so it's impossible to get this off to put on the other side without some sort of alteration, which I'm going to have to do, which doesn't make any sense. You either want this both sides, or you want this to come off so you can put it on the other side. And I don't know. That's the downside of this backpack. Other than that, I can see this going to be a great bag. Really, really nice. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell if you want to be informed when we do a video, which is fairly infrequent on here. But please comment down below, and anything you're interested in or want me to do, just give us a shout. And we'll see you again next time.